Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to work on pages 307 and 308 in our math workbook. We're checking your progress today. I'm going to read the question and I want you to fill it out, fill in the bubble, and then we'll go back and check your answers. Okay, let's look at the row with the duck. How many pennies are in this box right here? Fill in the bubble under the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the row with the heart. How many nickels are shown in this box? Very good. Let's move on to the three-leaf clover. Let's look at the coin in that box. Which of these shows tails for this coin? What is the tails of this coin right here? Okay, let's go to the row with the butterflies. Butterfly. I'd like you to count the money in this rectangle, please. Okay, let's go to the row with the star. I'd like you to count this money in this rectangle. Okay, then go down to the row with the flower, and I want you to count this money in this rectangle. Okay, let's go back up to the top and see if you got the correct answers for these. The first one says, how many pennies are shown in the row with the duck? Well, here's a penny, here's a penny, and here's a penny. Remember, we said the penny had Abraham Lincoln on the front and it was brown or coppery colored. So we have 3. Okay, let's go to the row with the heart. How many nickels are shown? Okay, here's a nickel. There's Thomas Jefferson. And look, there's his home Monticello. That's the tail, and the tail. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, let's see if you got this one right. We know that that is a nickel. It has Thomas Jefferson on the front, and that's worth 5 cents. Remember, the tail of a nickel was Thomas Jefferson's home, Monticello, so here it is, right there. This is the tails of a quarter. It shows the eagle with the outstretched wings. And here's the tails of a penny. It shows the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, in the row with the butterfly, we're supposed to count this money. Do you know what these are? Let's say what they are. This has President Eisenhower on the front right here, so we know that's 10 cents. And look at the size, it's small and silver. These are coppery colored. And there's the Lincoln Memorial, there's Abraham Lincoln, and there's the Lincoln Memorial. It also says 1 cent on the back, so we know those are a penny. So we say that's 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cents. Okay, let's go down to the next one and count how much money we have here. That looks like Thomas Jefferson. So we say 5 cents, penny, Abraham Lincoln, and then there's there's the Lincoln Memorial, the tail of the penny. So we counted 5, 6, 7, 8. We're counting on 8 cents. Okay, let's go to the row with the flower. Those are all pennies, aren't they? So let's say 1, 1, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents. Okay, let's turn it over on the back. You answer the questions and then we'll go back and check them. Okay, you're looking at the money in this square. How many dimes do you see? In the row with the duck, fill in the bubble under how many dimes you see. Okay, then in the row with the heart, you are going to fill in the bubble under how many quarters you see. Okay, let's go down to the row with the 3-leaf clover. Do you know what this coin is? There's the olive branch, the torch, and the oak branch. Do you remember what coin that is? Okay, now find the head side of this coin. The front side of the coin. Fill in the bubble under the correct answer. Okay, then we're going to go down to the row with the butterfly and we're going to count the coins in this box to see how much money we have. Fill in the bubble under the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the row with the star. I want you to count the money in this box. Fill in the bubble under the correct answer. Okay, let's go back and see if you got the right answers to these questions. Okay, in the row with the duck, it says how many dimes are shown. Okay, well let's look at this. There's a dime. There's another dime. There's another dime. That's the heads of the dime with President Eisenhower on it. And then look, here's the tail with the olive branch, the torch, and the oak branch. There's another, that's the tail of the dime. So let's count how many we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the correct answer. Okay, in the row with the heart, it says how many quarters are shown. Well, remember the quarter is bigger than the other coins. It also has George Washington on the front and the eagle with the outstretched wings. So we have 1, 2. 2 quarters. Let's see if we can name what the other coins are. What is this one? Yes, that's correct. That's a penny. What about this one? That's Thomas Jefferson, so that's 5 cents. And there's Thomas Jefferson's home on the back of that one, so that's 5 cents. Very good, boys and girls. Let's go to the row with the 3-leaf clover. Which shows heads for the coin in the box? Okay, that's the tail, and remember that's the olive branch, the torch, and the oak branch, and that goes with President Eisenhower. So this is the dime, the head. Okay, let's go to the row with the butterfly, and we're going to count the money in the box. Do you know what this coin is? Correct. That's a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. And you know those are pennies. So we say 5, 6, 7. 7 cents. Okay, let's go down to the row with the star and count the money in this box. There's the eagle with the outstretched wings, and we know that's on the back side of a quarter. And notice the size is bigger. So we know a quarter is worth 25 cents. So we say 25, and we know that these are pennies because they're all coppery colored. So let's count on 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 30 cents altogether. Great job, boys and girls. Have a great evening.